Tiflodidactic services. Voice Andrea Socrati, Accessibility Referent. Images Massimiliano Trubbiani, Referent for the production of aids for people with visual disability. Realization of a relief drawing from the painting Portrait of Dante by Sandro Botticelli, and production of 2 plastic high reliefs from an original Maiolica, Foundation Tercas of Teramo, and from Xylography The Reign of the Penitents by Salvador Dalí. The Omero Museum offers several services to museums and cultural institutions that wish to create accessible itineraries for visually impaired people. The services range from consultancy and staff training on the issues linked to museums' accessibility and the welcoming of visually impaired people, to the production of aids and equipment such as braille transcriptions or tactile books, and also other aids used to facilitate the museum experience for a blind person. These aids range from the realization of audio descriptions of the works, following useful criteria to make the explanation simple for blind visitors, to relief translations of bidimensional works, such as, for example, paintings. These translations can be done in different ways. There is a simpler technique, which is the one called of the Minolta oven, which consists in the realization of a simple relief drawing on a specific sheet of paper, which has microcapsules on the surface. Whenever the black ink of the drawing is deposited, when the sheets go through the instrument, which is the oven, and the microcapsules are exposed to the heat, the black inked microcapsules swell and create a one-dimensional relief. Therefore, the relief drawing can be helpful, but it is not the best solution because it's more difficult to understand at a tactile reading. A more effective technique of relief translation of a painting is the one in low and high relief. In this case, the museum's operator uses a moldable material such as plasticine, through which he recreates the shapes found in a painting or on a bidimensional surface. Shaping plasticine, the operator is able to recreate the shapes in 3 dimensions. Then, from the 3-dimensional model, a mold is produced and then used to finally create the copy in plaster or usually resin. Monica Bernacchia, Damiano Boriani, Design and Video Coordination. Nastasia Pescatore, University of Macerata, Subtitles and Translations. Gamma, Presscom, Filming and Editing. Voiceover, Greta Sturm. The accessible version of this video was realized with the collaboration of Rai Pubblica Utilità. AIS interpreter Devi Mariotti.